Welcome back to Navya's world. Today, we're exploring one of the ocean's most mesmerizing and mysterious creatures, the stingray. Stingrays are part of the cartilaginous fish family, which means their skeletons are made of cartilage, just like sharks. With their flat bodies and broad pectoral fins, they appear to fly through the water, effortlessly blending into their surroundings. Most stingrays prefer shallow, coastal waters, where they often camouflage themselves in the sandy seafloor. This helps them avoid predators and sneak up on prey like small fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. But don't let the gentle appearance fool you. Stingrays have a venomous barb at the base of their tail. They use this only for self-defense when threatened. Remember, they're not aggressive by nature and would rather glide away than engage. Watching a stingray feed is truly fascinating. They use their mouths, located on the underside of their body, to suck up prey from the sand. Their flattened teeth help them crush hard shells with ease. Unfortunately, like many marine species, stingrays are threatened by habitat loss and overfishing. It's crucial for us to support conservation efforts and keep our oceans clean for these incredible animals. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of stingrays. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing ocean adventures. See you next time.